Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to sew this beautiful handkerchief skirt from scratch to finish. Let's proceed into the video. So you're going to go to the table with your waistband that you've cut already and you iron it out. Remember our waist was 26 inches, so I'm just going to mark out the 26 inches. Then I stitch down after marking. I'll get my elastic band and I'll measure the waist, subtracting 4 inches from the waist measurement. My waist measurement is 32 minus 4, which gives me 28. So that's what I'll take for the band. You can use your calculator to calculate your measurement and do the subtraction. So you cut out the elastic band and you proceed to stitching both sides together. You're going to stitch this double time, like twice. Then you're also going to open up after stitching. You're going to top stitch on the elastic itself, like the way I'm doing right now. You bring out your waistband and you open up, insert the elastic, close down, and you stitch round, like the way I'm doing right now. And after you're done, make sure you check the elasticity of the elastic to know if it's flexible or not. Then you're going to carry your skirt and attach the waistband to it. Then you stitch down all the way. When you're done, you take it to the weaving machine and weave that joint. Then you're going to put the elastic on the machine again and you sew with 0.5 inch. As you're sewing, make sure you're dragging the elastic and the band itself so it doesn't stiff. Make sure you're dragging it. You're also going to do the same thing on the other side. Sew with 0.5 inch on the elastic. If you're liking this video so far, please subscribe to my channel Subscribe to see more of my tutorials and give me a thumbs up. It won't cost you anything. So the next thing to do when you're done with the band, with the waistband, is for you to hem the down. So you're going to fold it, you're going to double fold and you stitch down. You'll be stitching down all the sides, like the 4 sides. So the next thing to do after folding is to take your skirt to the table and iron down for a neater finishing. If you're enjoying this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my tutorials. Basically, that's all for the handkerchief skirt, and this is our skirt after we're done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.